You guys, my classroom is disgusting. Alright guys, it is the next day. Yesterday when I filmed those clips, it was after testing and I was just ready to go. I didn't have a lunch break. So today I'm actually gonna start cleaning. I got here bright and early, like an extra hour early today. So I just figured I'm gonna go around, start cleaning. It looks like the floors are pretty much clean for the most part, which is good. I think I'm gonna go through and actually clean out the kids' desks first. Like unstack the chairs, just take out any random papers that are in the desks, pencils, stuff like that. I'm gonna start there. We got all the chairs unstacked. It is now time to go through and check inside their desks. There shouldn't be too much because I keep their stuff in their cubbies, but we'll see. There's always random stuff. See? Alright, so the desks actually weren't that bad. Fortunately this week I knew I was filming this video, and so I told the kids to start cleaning out their desks so I wouldn't have to do so much. So they were pretty clean for the most part, just a few random stray papers. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna wipe down the tops of the desks and then kind of see, I made a little list, we'll kind of see what we're gonna do after that. So I think the next thing I'm gonna tackle is my desk. The top is not too bad. I just kind of want to like wipe it down and stuff, but the inside I have a little like random pieces of paper that I want to throw away. I want to somehow organize my desk. Maybe I'll make that another video, like organizing my desk. So if I haven't told you guys already, I am going to be staying in 4th grade again next year. I am going to be team teaching again like I'm doing now. I don't know if I've ever told you guys that. We switched to team teaching. The beginning of the year I was teaching only math for 4 classes and it was like no time to do anything. So now I teach 2 classes. I do math, science, and reading intervention, which has been a lot, but I think I'm finally getting into the hang of it. I'm getting used to it. But yeah, anywho, so next year I am going to be team teaching again with my same partner teacher. And so I'm kind of starting to get into the mindset of like, what do I need to do for next year? Getting stuff prepped, ready. So I think that's going to be like my next few videos here and there, is kind of just showing you guys like what I'm doing to get ready for next year, because I think that's important to talk about. My school year goes until June 18th, so I have a long time left. So I can do a little bit here and there, but anywho, I'm gonna clean a little bit more and then I'll talk to you guys a little bit more about next year's stuff, because I have a lot of ideas about it. I don't have any like bins or anything like that. Honestly, I don't know. So there is the little to-do list that I made. All sharpened. I wish that I had more pencils in here. I just ordered some more. If you ever want to donate pencils to my classroom, my Amazon wish list is down below in the description. We definitely need some more. Hi, okay, so this is editing Laura coming to the future. Be sure to stay tuned all the way to the end of the video because I am doing a giveaway in this video. So stick all the way to the end and don't be one of those people that skips all the way to the end. Listen, watch the video and clean with me. Why not? Spring cleaning, right? So if you saw the beginning of my video, then you probably saw these pizza boxes and I'm so ready to get rid of them. We've been building solar ovens for like a month now because we can only do a little bit each day. So once those guys are gone, I'll probably wipe down this whole counter. I still want to organize this. It's a mess. Honestly, guys, if you have some sort of, I guess, organization ideas for me, let me know. So I have a lot of storage options right now. I just don't know how I want to organize them and where I'm going to put stuff. Honestly, this year has just been a big hot mess, we could say. And so I didn't really need to have a lot of supplies because half the time we were virtual and I don't know, I could just get little supplies here and there for the kids. And like, I don't know, it was just weird. Like I couldn't use manipulatives because half my kids were virtual and we had so many class switches and stuff. And so next year I want to invest in getting some more class manipulatives. But anywho, yeah, so I've been talking for a while. So my kids are gonna get here soon, so I need to start like making copies and stuff, but I will continue cleaning in a few hours my time, a few seconds your time on my lunch break. So I literally haven't, don't mind me, I'm just wiping down this other counter. So I literally haven't wiped down these counters since the beginning of the school year because there's just been so many switches with the kids, like I've said, and it's different because they're not touching these counters, they're not going to these counters. So like, I don't really wipe them down. Obviously like the computers and stuff, I have to wipe that down because that is important to be wiped down because those are actually touched. But everything else, like typically this area that I just wiped down, like I would wipe that down more often because that would have been where my small group table would have been right here. So that would have been wiped down like a lot. But obviously that's not happening because I can't pull kids to a small group table. But we did just get word, I don't know if I've said it in this video yet, so I apologize if I'm repeating myself, but we did get word that we are officially going to be all brick and mortar next year. So in years past, my favorite part of my classroom has always been my classroom library, and this year teaching only math, like that hasn't been a big focus. And even if I was teaching ELA, typically we're not allowed to give them books unless we quarantine them, and it's a whole thing. So books haven't really been a thing this year, but something that I've been doing has been gathering some of my favorite like themed books. So I've done a couple months of my favorite books now. I'm going to be putting one out soon of my favorite like springtime books, so be on the lookout for that. But here's a little sneak peek of a couple of them. But the only other thing other than the cubbies has been, I want to do my cabinets, so I'm going to show you guys that real quickly. So right behind me are the cabinets I just showed you, and they are atrocious. I used to have all these wonderful organizations. If I can find a clip, I'll insert it here for you guys, but if not, go check my old like classroom setup videos. But I used to have all these wonderful like snap bins and stuff for all my supplies. I don't have them anymore because when I left my last job, I gave them to another like new teacher who needed organization, and I was like, I'm not teaching, so you take them. But now I'm kind of wishing I didn't, because I just have a mess of a cabinet. And so I don't know, I'm kind of thinking that I want to possibly like make that either a series this summer or just like random videos here and there whenever I do it. But I want to do like cabinet organization, maybe like organizing the other cabinets that I have that are on the other side of the room by like my fridge and my sink. Because I think I'm going to make that my small group area next year. Hopefully, we'll see what the CDC guidelines are for next year. But before I end this video, I kind of want to just get a little opinion from you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys would want to see me like organizing my cabinets, setting things up like that. I know it's kind of more of like a room setup thing, so maybe I should wait until August. Like, would you guys even want to see that? Because it's not like a full classroom setup. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Hey guys, so it is now giveaway time. So I'm going to leave the instructions on how to enter yourself into the giveaway down below. And I will be giving away 2 of my favorite springtime books, just so you guys know. I will be giving away Singing in the Rain as well as When Spring Comes. So I will have 2 giveaway winners. Check out the description down below to see how you can enter, and go ahead, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!